If you're trying to achieve fuller looking mini twists on your hair, then this video is for you. Hey Kish fam, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how I installed a mini twist on our client's hair. So I started off by moisturizing the client's hair because her hair was freshly washed, and the first thing I did was to apply a leave-in conditioner. Now this is from the Zime brand. I don't remember the exact name of the leave-in conditioner, but it is a water-based leave-in conditioner. And then I seal the moisture in her hair with our DIY herbal shea butter. Now this video with the DIY herbal shea butter is up on our channel. So if you are a girly that love to make your own DIY products, then you can always feel free to check out that video and let us know how it went. Tell us about the ingredients that you used in the video and all those things. So as I said before, I am just moisturizing the client's hair, ensuring that I am setting the foundation for the mini twist. So this is what her hair is currently looking like. I didn't show the starting process, but I did them extremely small because she is going to school and her mom wanted them to last for a little while. Mini twists are honestly one of our favorite protective styles for natural hair, especially if our client's goal is to retain length. And one of the things I really like about mini twists is that you are able to take care of your natural hair while it's still in the style. You can wash the twists, keep them moisturized, and give your scalp the care and nourishment it needs to reduce itching and dandruff. Now, one of the keys to having fuller looking mini twists is to do them extremely small, just as how we're doing them. So this will give you a lot of volume and the twist won't look scanty at all. So for our girlies with fine hair, maybe you could try this technique and let us know how it turned out. So the bigger you do the twist, then the less volume you're going to have. But the smaller you do the twist, then you will have a lot of volume. And if you want extra volume, it all depends on your hair. Then you can add some kinky extensions to the hair as well. So you can either add it from the root or you can add it to the end of your hair. Now I know many of you may be wondering, why is it I plait the root of the hair? I realized that when we plait the root section of the hair, the twist lasts longer than when we we start with a twist at the root. So this style can last you up to 6 weeks. It can last you up to 2 months. It all depends on how you maintain the twist. It all depends on your moisture routine, your nightly routine, and all those little things. And that's just basically it for this style. If you are enjoying the video, if you are enjoying the mini twists that we are showing you how to do, then let us know in the comments if you will be trying this hairstyle. I just want to say big up to all our subscribers. We appreciate you so much. To our new subscribers, welcome to our family. Remember to share this video with your besties, with your natural hair besties, and tell them to try the style as well. To all our US subscribers, I realize that we have a lot of subscribers from the US. Thank you so much for your support. For everyone watching all over the world, thank you so much for engaging, for reposting, for resharing. On a big up on ourselves, we appreciate it. And this is how our client's hair is looking. So we just added some mousse, and this is going to help to define the twist and to tame the frizz. And if you are in Jamaica and you're interested in getting mini twists installed, please feel free to book our mobile braiding services. All the details will be listed in the description below. And of course, we had to go right in and add some of Kishi's cold pressed castor oil to her edges, because we realized that her edges, they are thinning out, and the castor oil is just going to help to regrow them stronger. And this is how her hair is looking. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.